Yo guys, in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Nike Run Swift 2. 2 meaning Run Swift second generation, you feel me?
Wow, nice, dude. Zip it, Stanley.
So yeah guys, here we go. There you go, here they are. Do you know what I'm saying? You already know what's going on. You already know the deal, man. For real show. What am I talking about? Let me stop talking crap. But yeah, here they are. And for once, these running shoes, they are for running, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I find them pink. I'll wear them for drip. You feel me? Let me take this out. First thing first is the artwork here. Do you know what I'm saying? I love it. I love the look of Nike, and I love the little writing that you have to focus on. It gives it a little exclusive effect. Do you know what I mean? Now, from the jump, you can tell that this shoe is very light. Do you know what I'm saying? It's designed for running, especially with this type of curves. You know that it's designed to help you, you know what I'm saying, be more comfortable while you're running. Because when you run, the shape, your feet are not flat anymore. It's like it's always bending and stuff. You know what I'm saying? So it helps. You feel me? And the bottom, you know, to me, nothing too special in it. Do you know what I mean? It's nice, but this shoe was not designed to be nice. It was designed to be good for running. You get what I mean? It's got a little Nike Run Swift written here. And yeah, I'm gonna put them on and let you know what it feels like. So yeah, here we are, and I'm about to put them on. Okay, let's see what's going on. Comfort is impeccable, and again, the way it feels is what I expected. You know what I'm saying? Because I used to run. I need to get back into that. I might even cut these for real. You know what I'm saying? Feels pretty comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Can do a little footwork on it. Feel me? You know what I'm saying? By the way, if you want one of these tops, one of these hoodies, go down in the description. You see who this is? This is Mansa Musa, fam, the richest man in history. Go down in the description. Man's gonna hook you up. Go to Conqueror Clothing and use my code Tenaman10. You get what I'm saying? To get a little 10% discount off. You know what I'm saying? If you're into African history or even history in general, like basically they make hoodies and stuff, tracksuits and stuff like that with art showcasing historical figures, great historical figures. Let's get it, fo. You know, nah, they're perfect for motion. You know what I'm saying? And they look good too. You know what I'm saying? They actually look good. You feel me? I'll actually rock them. Like for real. You know what I'm saying? Look at classic drip, no capo. You feel me? Sometimes you gotta keep it simple. They look good, they feel comfortable. I'll never feel the rain if I was to, you know what I'm saying, start raining. I talk about the rain all the time because you should know that I'm from London and I'm from the UK, so the rain is expected every day. Even in the summer, I'm gonna expect the rain, blood. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, man. They serve their purpose. But overall, I don't really have much to to say negative about this, you know. But let me give it a mark. I can smell that plastic, bro. That new plastic on it, blood. But yeah, guys. In all honesty, these shoes serve their purpose, which is to help you run better. Do you know what I'm saying? It's comfortable. I believe it's durable. However, this shoe, I feel like in the winter you might feel a look or something. You know what I'm saying? That's the only criticism I have for it. But except from that, they look nice. Don't let anyone tell you that these shoes are not nice. They are nice. They look nice. I'll rock it. I might buy one. Do you know what I'm saying? Not even for running, but just to keep them on. Like it's a little fashion statement. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta always wear these Air Maxes. You can keep it simple. Do what you wanna do, not what society tells you, fam. You wear whatever you wanna wear. It was your boy Canon School. Before I finish, I give this shoe an 8. Also, go back to Conqueror clothing. Do you know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? Nice yourself, big up yourself. Use my code 10MSchool10 and have a blast. You feel me? Because your boy 10MSchool, I'm out.